In 2020, legacy gifts were valued at £3.9 billion per year, and this figure is set to rise. With legacy gifts on the increase, your charity may well be faced with a challenge.
The number of contentious cases are increasing. The cost of living crisis means that perhaps people are more likely to be in a position where the money makes a bigger difference to them. People are living longer, but we've also got the costs of care as well. So I think all of these things coming together does mean that, yes, we are seeing an increased number of contentious cases.
When a claim letter arrives on your desk, it can be a worrying time for legacy officers.
It's that initial point that the most internal damage can be done at a charity. They can get worked up about it.
They can get into a right old state and start flapping like mad and not really know what to do. They are generally just thrown into complete disarray when a claim comes in.
There are lots of important issues for charities to consider when dealing with a claim, and it's important to handle the situation appropriately.
From a financial point of view, yeah, their gift may be completely lost. They may not get their gift if a claim is successful, but actually probably more dangerous for charities of various sizes is the legal and PR implications of handling a claim badly.
Legacy officers need to understand the facts to evaluate the claim, then respond appropriately and make the right decisions for all parties.
It can be very important to identify whether or not there is something that could result in a claim on a file, so that you can deal with it at the earliest possible stage, and you make sure that you are prepared and you have got all the necessary documentation. Have you got a copy of the will? Have you got a copy of the will file if you need that? And looking at all of those sorts of things, if you think that there could be a claim, to make sure that, yes, you're as prepared as possible.
The Charity Claim Checker is an online tool designed specifically to guide legacy officers through these tricky situations. It gives an immediate assessment of 1975 Act claims and provides an answer on whether the claim has merit. There is detailed information and guidance throughout the form so you can understand the situation and evaluate the claim. It guides you on the steps you will need to take to respond appropriately and helps you make an informed decision on the best course of action. You will receive a unique report with tailored advice specific to your claim, giving you the confidence to explain the situation to trustees and senior management.
I always say, take a deep breath, calm, try and understand what you're facing. And I think the claim checker could be a wonderful tool to get them over the line to understanding the nature of the claim that's come in.
I think having something that you can run the facts through and then come to an answer as to whether or not you need to get legal advice or what stage you're at would be very helpful. And certainly, yes, again, as Paul was saying, really take that panic out of the initial situation.
The Charity Claim Checker is available to use now on the IDR network and at the Institute of Legacy Management. If you're facing a potential claim, use the tool for free today to help you navigate the situation.